how to reset Roblox PIN if forgotten. So I'm just going to open up my browser first. Now just go to roblox.com, wait for it to load. And when you go to your settings, then if you change any settings, then this PIN will pop up. And for some reason you have forgotten it, what you need to do is just scroll down to the very bottom, then click on help right here, wait for it to load. Now what you want to do is just simply click on Roblox account right there. Then scroll down, then you will see I forgot the PIN option right there. Simply click on that. Now as you can see, it says here that once a PIN is added to an account, it will be needed to make changes to the account settings. At this time, users and their parents or guardians will not be able to manually reset the PIN if it is forgotten, so customer support will need to assist with resetting forgotten PINs. And to reach customer support, please use the contact form. So what you need to do is just simply click on the contact form or link that is highlighted right here. Click on that. Then once you're here, you just need to input the needed ones, like the email address and confirm email address. So the username and first name is just optional. Once you're here, just need to click on the device that you are using. So for me, I'm using a PC. Then type of help category. What you need to do is account hacked or account logged in, and pick the account PIN right here. Then for the description of issue, what you need to do, just say, I have forgotten my Roblox PIN. Please help me retrieve it. Just like so, you'd also add the other description. Like if you forgot your email address, you could say it right there. Like, I don't.
Hey.
So something like that. Once you're done, you simply need to click on continue and wait for Roblox to get back to you for a few days. So they might email you. So make sure that you are currently checking your email once in a while. And that's how you basically reset Roblox PIN if forgotten.